Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we hope you're fine. I'm also fine. So in this video I'm gonna show different beautiful and unique pebble home decoration ideas. Pebble heavy and beautiful unique pebble and rocks art. It is very unique and beautiful ideas and I hope you like it. You guys know we can share different unique and stylish pebble home decoration ideas. It is very classy and amazing and I hope you like it. Then you like it viewers, so please like my video, share my video and subscribe my YouTube channel. And press the bell icon viewers and please share your friends and family members and do not forget to my YouTube channel. So viewers, Allah Hafiz, take care, bye, see you soon.